These are the Soundcore Space A40 True Wireless Earbuds. They're a brand new, freshly announced pair of affordable true wireless earbuds that are a part of Soundcore's new Space series. This series was designed to give you quiet time, ultimate personal space with great sound, fantastic noise cancellation, long battery life, multi-point Bluetooth connection, and most importantly, a price that is not going to break the bank. Soundcore claims that the Space A40 can reduce the noise around you by up to 98% and run for as long as 50 hours per charge. 10 from the buds and 50 total with the charging case. Those are some bold claims from a pair of true wireless earbuds that come in at a budget price. These specs, however, are very similar to Soundcore's other new headset in the Space series, the Space Q45, which I reviewed a few days back and really loved. The difference, of course, is that the A40 are earbuds and the Q45 is a traditional headset, which some people might prefer more for travel and things like that. Back to the A40, these buds shine bright in a field that's full of expensive wireless earbuds, and most of those other ones don't even come close to delivering the insane value that the A40 do. I mean, on top of it all, the charging case even has wireless charging. Like, Soundcore really thought these things through. Before we get into my full review though, let's rewind a little bit and do a quick unboxing. So a few weeks ago, Soundcore sent me an incredible introductory surprise package to celebrate the launch of the new Space series. Inside there were the new Space A40 wireless earbuds, the Space Q45 over-the-ear headphones, and a passport holder along with a notebook, which I thought was a pretty cool touch because these things are designed with travel in mind. If you want to see more of the Space Q45 headphones in action, I have a full review of them up on my channel that you can check out. Spoiler alert, they are awesome headphones. So in the box with the Space A40, you'll find the earbuds themselves, some documentation, a USB-C charging cable, and a bunch of different sized ear tips to help you get the right fit. Each earbud also has a built-in touch panel for changing songs, adjusting the volume, and all of that. The controls here are very responsive. These earbuds are mostly made of plastic, but they don't feel one bit cheap or flimsy. The earbuds themselves are extremely lightweight and are very comfortable to wear for long periods of time. The charging case is also quite small and has a nice smooth finish to it. The thing that I really like about the charging case is how elegantly the lid opens and closes. It's a little thing, but the case is very quiet when it snaps shut. It's not a loud click or snap sound like AirPods or other earbud cases. Overall, these things are a very good looking, well-designed pair of earbuds. As far as sound quality goes, the Space A40 deliver big time. The bass is deep with clear mids and bright highs. If you're familiar with newer Soundcore earbuds, you'll know exactly what to expect here. These things sound amazing, plus they have support for the high-res LDAC codec, which only high-end earbuds that are more than twice the price of these have. So in case you guys were wondering if these things were a steal of a deal or not, well, there's a good example. With the Space A40, you also have access to the Soundcore companion app, which allows you to fine-tune the sound to your liking with a number of presets and equalizers. One thing about Soundcore headphones is that they are highly customizable, and I think that's why I'm such a big fan of them. When it comes to noise cancellation, the Space A40 do a really great job of blocking out the world around you. Now, I'm not able to measure that 98% number that Soundcore claims, but when you have these things in and play some tunes, there's very little ambient noise that comes through. I wasn't able to test them on a plane like I did with the Space Q45, but it seems like they would fare well for travel. I used these buds at the gym a few times, which is also a loud environment, and they were fantastic. You just have to make sure that they are securely in your ears to get that full noise seal out of them. In addition to sound and noise cancellation, the Space A40 are surprisingly really good for calls. These earbuds have 6 microphones built in and use an AI algorithm to find voices and block out other noises that are going on around you. Whenever I made or got a call, the experience was great. One of my favorite features of both Space series headphones is that they have multi-point Bluetooth connection. This means that you can pair them with 2 devices and not have to disconnect them from one and pair them with another. If you use a lot of tech, this is a game changer. I have the Space A40 paired with my iPhone and Switch, and connecting these earbuds to either one of those is seamless. This is one of those features that needs to make its way to every headphone like ever. And last but not least, the final thing for us to talk about in this review is battery life. Battery life is an area where the Space A40 shine. The buds themselves are rated at 10 hours per charge, and adding in the charging case will get you around 50 hours of total playtime per charge. Those are incredibly high numbers for a pair of budget earbuds, but Soundcore is known to deliver when it comes to battery life. I've been using the A40 for about 2 weeks now, and battery life is something that I haven't had an issue with. In fact, I only charged them once since I took them out of the box. I've been using them at the gym with ANC on, making calls, casually listening to music, and much more. It's great stuff. As I mentioned before, these also have built-in wireless charging, so you can charge them that way or by USB-C. You have quite a few options to always have these things powered up and ready to go. At the end of the day, it should come as no surprise that Soundcore knocked it out of the park with the Space A40. A40. They are a fantastic, affordable pair of true wireless earbuds that literally do it all, and best of all, they are not going to break the bank. Soundcore has been on a major hot streak releasing headphones that offer a lot of bang for your buck, and the Space A40 are no exception. They sound amazing, offer incredible adaptive noise cancellation, have phenomenal battery life, they're incredibly versatile with that multi-point Bluetooth connection, and are comfortable to wear for long periods of time. Those are all of the key ingredients that make for a solid pair of wireless earbuds that are so easy for me to recommend. The best thing about these things though is of course the fact that all of these high-end features come in at an affordable price point. In a world full of expensive tech, the Space A40 here shine bright. These are fantastic true wireless earbuds. Anywho, that's about it for this video, my friends. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did and you liked what we saw, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button because it always helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to follow at Raymond Strazdas on Twitter and Instagram for much more. Until the next one, I will catch you guys later. Peace!